Okay, so I wanted to show you all what I purchased from this company called We. You know, it's a store online. It's kind of like Fresh or Hello Fresh, right? But this is all like Asian grocery that you can get. Uh, but yeah, so I just did like a big purchase of items, and they were delivered the next day. I think their headquarters is in, or their main grocery is in Cali, California, I believe. But anywho, so let's get into it. So I did get a short beef short plate roll. This is what it looks like. We're gonna do hot pot tonight. I did get some thin sliced chuck beef, pacino, let's see, pork rib strips, pork patty links, hot dogs, marbled Wagyu beef, good portion too. This is ground pork for barbecue meatballs. Got me scallion pancake. Again, this came from a company called Wee. W-E-E-E exclamation point. It's literally just like HelloFresh, but again, Asian, you know, products. Pork skewers. And I shouldn't say that. I mean, there's a bunch of different items you can purchase on there. I love these things, these bow buns. They're so good. I don't know how many's in here. Oh, it says 10 pieces. But I love these things. I can eat them by themselves. This is also for a hot pot tonight. Got some fried fish cakes. And I made some of these yesterday. These are so good. And I still got this for a hot pot. They say this is like one of the great brands too. And then also, this I did not get from Wee, but I did purchase this too today from Sam's because we're gonna do some beef short ribs as well on a hot plate. But yeah, so again, I'll go ahead and do a video later once I have our hot pot set up. And I may not be able to have my hot pot because I'm still waiting on that. So I will substitute the hot pot for two different fondue pots probably. But again, I'll show you it once I have it all set up.